Hi there, in this video we will go through how to create and configure a package in Bookinglayer. Go to Inventory, Packages, and click on Create a new package. Select the category of the package, give it a name, and choose if it will include accommodation or not. In this example, we will configure a package with accommodation. The first step is to configure the package's bookable dates. There are two main options. When we choose a flexible arrival, the booker will be able to select dates from two calendars in the booking engine, a check-in date and a checkout date. We can add certain restrictions such as a minimum duration when allowing a flexible duration. With a fixed duration and duration variance, the booker will be able to select a check-in date and a duration of stay in case of variance. You can add additional restrictions such as specific weekdays allowed for check-in and check-out, and a block date or period. Restricted days and dates will appear grayed out in the booking engine's calendar. With the dates configuration, you will need to specify the dates on which guests can arrive and set a fixed duration or several duration options with duration variance. In the booking engine, guests will see a drop-down with the full dates of the package in case of a fixed duration. In case of a package with duration variant, they will see two drop-downs, one for the duration of the stay and another one for the dates. In the Details section, we will add all titles and texts that bookers will see in the booking engine and customer portal. The title and description will be exposed in the widget and product page in the booking engine. The extended description will be exposed in the product page when clicking a Show More link that will expand the page. In the SEO section, you can set the meta title and descriptions users will see if they find the package's booking engine page on search engines. You can then move to the Images section and upload or select the images that you would like to add to this package. When you add several images, they will be displayed as a carousel. You can add amenities to the package to show some of the services and perks that are included. We recommend adding more of these to the accommodation since they will differ depending on the room option. You can set a base rate for the package, however, this is not always necessary or can be complementary since the pricing can also be formulated considering the products that are added to the package builder. When working with flexible dates, you can set a package base price depending on the duration of the stay and the number of guests booking the package. Unless you work with duration variance and set a price for each duration, we recommend that you always add a price for one night first. Then, you can set a price for other durations and gradually decrease the price for longer durations of stay. If you work with dates, you will need to add a rate for each possible arrival date and for every duration if you have set duration variance. If you have set a base rate for the package, don't forget to select the corresponding VAT rate. Under the booking engine settings, you can see the initial status of the booking when this package is booked. If you already set in your general settings that payment is immediately required for all bookings, the initial status will be pending, regardless of this setting. You can also overrule the default deposit set in your general settings. Unless you would like to request a different deposit percentage for a specific package, we recommend you leave the overrule deposit field empty. The packs per booking setting sets a minimum and maximum number of guests that can be selected when booking this package via the booking engine. The booker will not be able to select a number of guests below or above these two values. Enabling the group booking mode will allow the booker to skip the details of each guest and configure the booking as a group. Requesting levels will add the levels guest field to the guest form. Requiring a minimum age will add the age field to the guest form and not allow selecting a value below the number that is set. When the levels or minimum age settings are enabled, it will not be possible to skip guest details and create a group booking. The pack selector allows you to pre-configure the package picker in the booking engine page of the package. You can enable or disable the different groups, female, male, and couples, and preset the values. For example, if you're creating a package for a honeymoon holiday, you can preset one couple. We have now gone through the creation of a package and the configuration of the basic settings. In the next video, we will look at the package builder and how to configure package items. Thanks for watching.